Today we're going to learn how to complete a Excel project and how to put things in alphabetical order and find the sums. I'll share my screen so y'all could see. I'm going to open the template. Okay, the first thing we want to do is put these names in alphabetical order. So we're going to highlight from A4 to A13. You're going to go to data and you want to sort them from A to Z. So now the names are in alphabetical order. The next thing we want to do is find the average. So you're going to type in equals sum. You're going to open up parentheses and you're going to drag from B4 to F4. You're going to close parentheses and you're going to divide by 200 since all the tests equal 200 points. You're going to click enter and it's going to give you the average. All you have to do to make this easier is drag down and it's going to give you the average of all of them so you don't have to type it every time. The next thing you want to do is find the average of the test. So again, you're going to type in equals sum, open parentheses. You want to drag from I4 to N4, M4, close parentheses, and you want to divide by 500 because there was 500 tests that people took, not 600 because no one took this test. So you're going to divide by 500, hit enter. It's going to give you the average. Again, you're going to click on it and drag down, and it will give you the average of everyone's grade. To find the points, you only want to add the test that the kids took. So you're going to type in equals sum, and you're going to drag. Whoa. Okay, you want to do equals sum, open up parentheses. You want to take B4 to F4, close parentheses, and you want to add parentheses, and you want to add I4. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Okay, and then you want to add the sums of I4 to M4, close parentheses, and hit enter. And I'm not sure what happened right there. Okay, to find the points, let's try it again. You want to do equals sum, open parentheses. I'm going to type it to make it easier. B4 to F4, close parentheses, plus I4 to M4, close parentheses, enter. Okay, I'm not sure why it's doing that. Let's try it again. B4 to F4, close parentheses, plus H4 to M4, close parentheses, equals. Okay, let's see if this one does the same thing. B5 to F5, close parentheses. Oh, I know what's going on. You want to put plus and sum again of H5 to M5 parentheses equals, and it's going to give you a sum. Then you're going to want to drag them, and it's going to give the sums of all of them. Let's go back and do this one. Equals sum of B4 to F4, close parentheses, plus the sum of H4 to M4, close parentheses, equals, and it gives you the sums. As you scroll around, you can see right here that the letters and the formulas change. Now to find the GPA, you want to add the extra credit that's in the O section and the total number of points itself. So to make it easy, if you want to just do equal sum of O4 to P4, close parentheses, equals, it's going to give you a percentage of a GPA. I'm going to drag it down. It's going to give you a percentage GPA of all of them. Again, as you see, the formulas in the top change as you click on the different students. Now to find the class average, you want to do this sum of B4 to B13 because you only want the students to find their sum out. Close parentheses, and you want to divide it by 10. Click enter, and it's going to give you the class average. Again, do the same as you did on all the other ones. You want to drag it all the way to the end, and it's going to give you the class average all the way across. You can also take away and add borders, and you can add charts. We're going to add 2 charts at the bottom. You can pick any chart you want, so I'm going to choose let's see. I'm going to choose one of them. I'm going to choose not that. Choose a column graph. Takes a second to load. Okay, I'm going to take that chart away. And add a simpler chart. I'm going to highlight all this so they know what kind of chart I want. And let's do a bar graph. Okay. And here's a bar graph for all the students. And you can put a title. You can title it whatever you want. So for this one, I'm just going to put wherever it went. Okay. Not sure where the chart went. Okay, now it's not letting me do anything. Okay. So Let's see if I can get that bar graph again. Okay, I got it back. I don't know where it went earlier. I'm going to drag it, and I'm going to move it if it would ever move. Okay, I'm just going to move it right there so you have a chart. And I'm not sure where the student's name went on this. It disappeared for some reason. Okay, let's see if I can get it back. I'm going to see if I added my chart, if I can get this, if I can displace the student's name back. Okay. Let's see, I'm just going to place it back. Abernathy Stewart. Okay. So now the very last thing we want to do is to add a header. So you're going to go to Insert, Header, and Footer. Click it. Want to insert your header, and you just want to put your name. And I'm going to put the date. The 15th. Enter. Okay. And the header should be placed on all pages. And it jumped to 2 pages now, but everything should still be here. Hopefully. Let's see if we can do a page layout maybe and play with this a little bit. Okay. Well, not sure how to fix it, but I'm just going to save it. I'm going to save it under Gradebook Template and save. Okay, so I hope that helped. Good luck.